Hostel Management System, and myself Muhammad Tawfiq, and I am from the Cloud Computing Department from GM University. Traditional hostel management is manually system create errors and delay need for digital management system and centralized hostel operations. Like many hostels still use manual records for student details and attendance and room allocation. This creates a problem like data loss, duplications, and slow management. Our system digitally hostel operations and stores everything in one centralized platform. So, like automation reduces human errors and save time, improves data management, and increase security. And next is our main objective is to manage student records and room allocation management and attendance management and authentication and security and the dashboard monitoring. It improves the efficiency also. Like the main objective of this project automate hostel management activity, and the system allows admins to manage the student allocate rooms, monitor attendance and control hostel data efficiently. This the front end technology in the first the user enters and the front end works and goes to the API server and stored into the database. Like first step is user interact with the system and React front end receives the request and API processes the request and database stores and retrieve data and result automatically displays to the users. Next are the features of this system is like user authentication and student management, room allocation, attendance tracking, dashboard management, and protected routes and theme management like that. And next is the dashboard. How the dashboard works means display hostel statistics and activities like protect routes, restrict unauthorized access, and authentication improves security and privacy risks. And dashboard shows system summary and hostel information. Like the main project structure is like in the component context and features and API alerts. Like these are the main contents of our project. These are the files, and next is the demonstration. When we go to the local host, it appears like this. In this, we have to enter manually email and the password. Like the demo credential is given, like we have to enter this type of emails, and the password will be look like this. So when we log in, like first I have to show that we can also change the theme in there. Like this is option dashboard is show the total students are registered in this hostel. Like from last month it is increased to 12%, and room occupancy and monthly revenue generated, and how much fee spending of the student. This show the recent activities of the student, and mark attendance and record payment, manage rooms and vibe reports. All this shows, and important notices will be shown here. And this is the student. In this, the total students are there and the active students, and how inactive students are there, and how much rooms are occupied. In this, we set as active and inactive student, and we also admin have to edit the student records. In this, like manually we can store the data, like we can enter email, phone number, and course like that. These are the room, how much single sharing rooms are there, and double, triple, and dormitory, in which floor, and how much its capacity is there, and it is available or occupied or in the maintenance, it will show here. And we can also add the room, and how which floor it is there, and status of the room. In this we can add allocation. The example, the John Dio student is allocated in the room number 101, and he's chosen a course of computer science, and he joined the hostel at 10th January 2025, and we can remove him or edit the details like that. In this, how much student are paid fees, and the student fees due date, and the student are paid or not fees, and we can also edit them. And these are the complaints, and we can student have also um, add the complaints of the hostel in this. This is the notice board. In this, what is the title of the notice, and we write about the complaint, which complaint is there, and also we can set the date and we can publish the notice. Next is the attendance. It is attendance is taken by the admin, and it is also um edited by admin. Also, it can't possible to edit student. This is the visitor in this, who are visitors in this, the name of the visitor, and their parent, relatives, guardian, or others we can choose here. Next to that, how much time the, when the parents or some others are arrived, and when they are gone, we set here. And this is a mess, we can edit mess food, like lunch, dinner, and menu items in this. And this is the report. This is our project. And our advantage of our project is save time, reduce manual work, and secure authentication, easy data management, and better organization, scalable architecture. So limitations: requires internet connection. So anytime the internet connection is required, and initial setup needed, and database dependency is needed. So feature enhancement and future implementation of this project is AI chatbot support, and online payment system, mobile app, and cloud deployment, face recognition, attendance, and email and SMS notification. Finally, I have to conclude my project. So, hostel operation is simplified, and it is a secure and scalable and efficient management system, and it also user friendly. Thank you.